In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M35 and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Begin by launching settings and scrolling down to access sound and vibration. Then you can tap on vibrate at the top in the middle and this way mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. If you want to, you can also select sound on the left and then click on this switcher next to vibrate while ringing to enable or disable haptics for your incoming calls. When you're ready, scroll down. Select call vibration and apply a perfect pattern for your incoming calls, or disable it completely by selecting silent. Then do exactly the same for your notifications. Now after tapping on system vibration, click on all of those switchers next to all of those features to enable or disable haptic feedback for them. Then you can also adjust system vibration intensity by operating this slider. If you want to, you can also do the same thing by going back, tapping on vibration intensity and operating exactly the same slider, just in a different place. Now click on this switcher next to vibration sound for incoming calls if you want to turn on or off this option. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!